You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this type of cocktail bitters, aromatic cocktail bitters. It's the name is French originally, from Antoine Amédée Peychaud, a Creole French in the Saint-Domingue colony. Peychaud is the French pronunciation with a silent D because it's French. The last letter is not pronounced. In English, the pronunciation is as Peychaud. Peychaud's, bitters or bitters, the Americans would say Peychaud's. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.